How to hide Instagram app on Android device. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Hiding Instagram app on Android device is way easy than you think. Simply as you can see on your home screen, it has been on hidden. To unhide it, open setting application, scroll down, navigate to the privacy option and open it. Now tap privacy and choose Hide Apps option under Privacy Protection. Now enter your privacy password. Then you will land on this page where you will see all the application listed on this page. You need to scroll down and toggle the button on for Instagram. Just next to all, tap on Hidden and here you will see the list of hidden application including Instagram. When you go back to your home screen, you will no longer see Instagram application on your home screen. So you have successfully hidden your Instagram application on your Android device. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.